stop before quit my video. Let me explain you one single thing. Lot of people don't know where their decision making is good for their business or not. Yes, yes. In a current era, there are lot of public those who don't know without with their decision making and any plans in their business. Okay, today I will explain you about how knowledge change our decision making. Yes, whenever any person those who doesn't know, have any knowledge, they cannot make a valid decision making for their business. Okay, and the main thing is that whenever any person making any decision, uh, that can be either bad or good for their business. And whenever according to me, whenever any person are who are educate and he had much knowledge about no, valid decision making in relation to any business ideas, then I think he can make a material decision instead of any immaterial decision. Yes, this problem is running in the current era, and the main thing is that lot of people uh, uh, opening their own firm and try to invest capital funds into in his business, and the after 1 year or 2 year they face a lot of problem in a business, and they're not able to make a lot of profit as he think earlier that I will make a lot of profit in my business, but they couldn't make any profit. That's why decision making is most important for our business. Okay, yes, though solution is that without educating yourself regarding your business, you can't make a profit. As we know, Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, and many billionaires, they are educating themselves in a practically. I don't say you have to read a lot of book to enhance your decision making. I only say to you that you have to try to understand the market strategy. Those businessmen, those who try to make a that strategy that can be very valid and important for their business. Yes, try to analyze the data of the market, not going to any traditional way. Okay, and the next thing, don't try to only invest a capital fund into business and purchasing some products and some other items related to your business. No, you don't have to do that. Okay, only the way that can be more efficient for your business is try to invest your capital fund and try to make a lot of efficient decision making for your business. Okay, and without a you know that without any decision making you can't make a lot of profit. Yes, and the next solution is for the decision making is not a your degree. Degree doesn't define to your any success. Okay, degree next thing, if you have a degree then you can only show up to a public, but I think a degree is immaterial in relation to your knowledge, and if you are not able to express your knowledge in a practically the public, then your degree is immaterial. And I think so you have to try to learn the things and try to implement the your educational skills into the practical world, unless I think you can't able to grow your business. Yes, you have to try to learn the skills, learn the decision making, and try to implement that educational skills into your business. Unless bro, you can't grow your business. Okay, and the these decision making will give a lot of benefits after a couple of years if you are used to that decision making that you have uh, implement in your implemented in your business. That can be more beneficial. Firstly, you have a practical experience of the world, and the next thing is that uh, whenever any dynamic changes in your business has been occurs, then on that time you are able to build your patience and suffer the problems in that time, and without any decision making and without any pre-planned strategy to your business, and that can be anything. Without any business study and decision making, bro, you can't suffer in this world. And the main thing is that you have to pre-plan your strategy to make your business and to build your business more stronger than others. Yes, yes. From this line, I will complete my video. Don't change any degree. Try to learn the skills and knowledge. Bye. We will meet in next video.